Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Among Us. First, launch the game and choose to either host a new game, join an existing one, or play locally. You can customize your character with various hats, pets, and skins in the lobby. The game supports 4 to 15 players, with 1 to 3 imposters. Your goal is to either complete tasks or eliminate crewmates. As a crewmate, your primary objective is to complete all assigned tasks before the imposters can eliminate enough players. Tasks involve minigames like wiring, swiping cards, or fixing engines. If you discover a dead body, immediately report it to initiate a meeting. During meetings, share information and vote for who you suspect might be an imposter. If you are an imposter, your goal is to eliminate crewmates and prevent them from completing tasks. You can sabotage systems like lights, communications, or oxygen to create distractions. Use the kill button when near a crewmate, but be careful not to be seen. Vents allow for quick movement across the map, helping you escape after a kill or surprise a victim. During meetings, players discuss who they believe the imposters are. You can vote to eject a player, or skip the vote if there isn't enough evidence. Crewmates win by completing all tasks or by ejecting all imposters. Imposters win by eliminating enough crewmates so their numbers equal the remaining crewmates, or by successfully sabotaging a critical system like oxygen or reactor.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.